selling behind the been on the macho like Randy. The chopper go out to the granny. This nigga pull up your bandit. Who the killers understand it? I got broads in the land. Twisted the team.
What is going on, you guys? My name is Ice-T, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the paintball war ground. That's right. I'm clearly here in the woods right now. I do not know why I have my flashlight on. But yeah, I'm on my phone right now. So as you can see, I'm in the woods. I'm actually on top of a hill though, but you know, yeah. This is our paintball ground. This is, well, my made-up paintball ground that I'm going to have here soon. Once I get everything set up. I don't have everything set up. I don't even have a gun, but I'm gonna get one here soon. And oh my god, that is one huge ass beehive right there. Oh my. Yo. Look at that. You guys see that beehive right there? On the tip of my finger? Yeah. That's a beehive right there. I wonder if I can zoom. Oh, you can. Look at that. Yeah. Sorry if I'm shaking though. I have crippling depression. Sorry guys, I'm like shaking a lot though. But yeah, that's a beehive right there. Can I zoom out, please? Oh my gosh, this phone. Okay, there we go. Alright, so yeah. This is, you know, the paintball war that I'm going to have here. Let me show you guys around. Just hope I don't fall. Oh my gosh, I'm getting closer to the... Dude, I'm literally tempted to throw a rock at that beehive right there. Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna book it though. Let me see. I'm gonna find a rock. I hope I don't get freaking stung. Or, you know, just straight up die. Maybe this one will work. Hey guys. God, look at that beehive. Hold on. I'm dangerously close to this beehive. I have crippling depression. Damn it. Quit shaking the camera, Trevor. Gosh, look at that beehive. I wonder if that's just a straight up wasp hive. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna book it down there though. Right at that little thing right there. I don't know what it's called. And I'm gonna smash that. Alright guys. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh shit! Fuck. Damn it! Oh my god! Ah! Hill! Oh, I'm out of breath. I have crippling depression. I want to get a close-up look on it. I think I can still see it from here, though. I don't know. Let me go check. I'm not gonna get too close though. What is this thing right here? What is this, some kind of bomb shelter or something? I don't know. Can't tell. Ugh. I think you can still see it from here. It's right on this tree. It's right on that tree right there. Yo. Is it right there still? I don't know, I can't tell, but I'm not going near that tree though. Probably just like pissed him off a lot. I can't find it. It's on that tree right there, I know it. I just like literally, wait a minute. I'm gonna go up a little bit more. Messing with the beehives. Oh shit. I think I just broke it. Oh no, it's still there. Crikey, mate. God, I think I just pissed him off. Where is that beehive? It was somewhere right here. Is it these trees? I don't know. Oh no. Oh no. It was that tree. It was that one. That one right there. I think the beehive must have fell. No. Oh wait, no, I see it. It's busted open. See, I think you guys don't know, but it's actually right there. Let me zoom in for you. See, I just like busted it open. Jeez. They don't... Oh God, they're swarming around it right now. Sorry, my apologies, but they're swarming around it right now. Oh my gosh. Dude. Look at that. I just pissed him off. I want to do it again. I'm tempted to do it again. Should I do it? Maybe not. I don't know. I'm going to do it for entertainment. I don't care, guys. Yeah. I love it how I still have the camera still zoomed in. Look at that beehive. God dang. People are pissed. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna book it again. Actually, nah, maybe not. I'll just go run over there behind that rock or some shit. If they come over here, I'll book it. But damn, bro. That's a beehive. That's a big one. Crikey. Actually, no, it's not a big beehive. That's like the smallest beehive I've ever seen. Alright, I'm gonna throw a rock at it. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh damn. They are pissed off. They're not even doing anything. Oh shit. Yo, fuck this. Oh, Jesus. Oh, bro. Oh, I almost just got stung, bros. Can you guys believe that? I almost just got stung. Oh. Oh, dang. Yo. That was scary. Oh, I believe I could still see it. From up here, maybe. Yep, you can. You can still see it from here. Maybe. I don't know. My hands are like so shaky right now. Alright, it's like right there. God. I'm gonna hold the camera still for you guys. There we go. See, I don't know if you can see them, but they're like swarming violently around that tree right now. Like seriously, I almost just got stung. Like I heard a bee just fly past me like, phoom. It was so scary. Yo, that was so rad. That was dope, guys. Oh my gosh. God, I'm so tempted to do it again right now. I don't know. Alright. One more throw, and then I think we're gonna leave him alone. Okay, this rock is good. Throwable. Kinda. I'm just gonna like fucking go stealth mode up in this bitch. Sneak my ass on up here. God damn. God damn. Oh shit, can. Okay guys, there's the beehive in its natural habitat. Pissed off like hell. Seems like they're calmed down now. I'm gonna get a little closer on this. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's right there. Oh god, I hope that wasn't a bee. Alright, let's throw this quick. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that I missed. Shit, I missed. Fuck me in the ass. Oh, fuck! Damn it! Ah, shit, bro! Ah! Damn, bro! Ah, fuck me in the ass! Ah, fuck! I just got stung. Ow! Ah, fuck, that hurt. Damn. Ah. Ow. Jesus. God, Lord Almighty. Ah, that hurt like a bitch. Ow. Is this still on me? Okay, it's not. Ah, fuck, dude. I got stung by a bee. Shit, that hurt. Ah, god damn it. Fuck you, you son of a bitch. Ah. Ah. Gosh, that hurt. That hurts so bad. Ah. Oh god. Dude, it stung me like right on the back. Hold on. I'm gonna see if you guys can take a look at it. It's like somewhere right there. Ah, it hurts so bad. Ah. Oh my gosh. Dude. That was kind of rad. But damn, that hurt. Fuck. I got stung on the back. Damn, bros. It hurt like a bitch. Ah, fuck me in the ass. Ah. Not literally, though. Ah. Ah, that hurts. Son of a bitch. Fuck. Oh my god. Alright, well, I guess we're done, so. God, that hurt. That really hurt. I was getting ready to throw another rock, but dude, that bee came up right behind me and just stung me. And it hurt so bad. I don't know if you guys can see it, but, you know, I'll take a picture at the end of the video. But, well, screw the paintball field. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button in the face. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Son of a bitch, that hurt. Alright guys, deuces. What's going on, guys? Ice-T here, and that's Hushy Puppy right there.
Santa now, bitch.
He just like belly raped me in the back. But yeah. So yeah. What you just saw was me fucking with the Beehive. Don't try that at home. It's not a good idea at all whatsoever, because you will get stung in the back 3 times and it fucking hurts like a bitch. So yeah. Anyways, if you like this video and if you want to see me do some more shit like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon too while you're at it. Like this video and check me out on Twitter and Instagram. Yeah, that's all I got. But yeah, so do that if you want to see me do some more crazy shit. And anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces!
All my diamonds shine, 'cause they really